How to make zoom in and zoom out in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, click the effect control and then click motion. Choose the scale. And then this is the first size, normal size. And I want to make it zoom in. And I make it zoom in. This is the first zoom in. And the second zoom in. And after that, I want to make it zoom out 3 times. First zoom out. And the second zoom out. And the last zoom out. And it is not smooth, just normal. And to make it more smooth, we need to make it is in and is out. So in the first zoom in, we make it is in. Right click and is in, and the zoom out click is out. It is make your video look professional and smooth.